Good morning, you guys. Today is Sunday, March 22nd, 2020, and I have picked another Elephant and Piggy book for this weekend. This one is There is a Bird on Your Head. And you might notice the little kind of the medal. It's not a Caldecott because sometimes we think that. This one is called a Theodore Seuss Gazelle Award. Okay, and Theodore Seuss is Dr. Seuss. Okay, here we go. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Uh-oh, what do you see coming? Now there are two birds on your head. Ooh, Gerald does not look impressed. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds on my head are making a nest? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Uh-oh. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Look at Piggy on his little snout. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching? Oh boy, dramatic Gerald. Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Oh, Piggy's so happy he's crying. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Oh, I like that, using your words. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Look at where they went. The end. I hope everybody has a happy Sunday. It is beautiful out there. I am just actually got ready for the day and I'm going to head out for a walk with Mr. Zoot. And I hope that you guys do the same. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Miss you.